So someone asked me recently, can anyone perform the whole process in 3 minutes? And the short answer to that question is yes. I've actually been doing this long enough that I know exactly what I'm capable of, and I actually enjoy these fast and precise shaves. I can even squeeze it in under 2 minutes and talk through half of it if I really wanted to. Well, you guys will see in this video if you're paying attention, but here's the real point I want to come across, is that just because I can doesn't mean that everybody should, because most people can't bang out 3 passes in 2 or 3 minutes without slicing themselves open. And that's actually totally fine, because this hobby is not a speed run. It's supposed to be enjoyable, relaxing, and whatever that means for you at your current skill level. There are other people in this hobby, legends actually, that have done this in the past. Dave Card, Maddie Lindholm, Pedro Carvalho, all legends and inspirations of mine. So yes, the answer is it is possible. But here's where I want to focus the direction of the question is, does it matter? And the answer to that is no, it doesn't, because we're all here to have fun. I just happen to enjoy the challenge of fast controlled shaves. This is what it looks like, but that doesn't mean that everybody enjoys fast and controlled shaves. Some people like taking their time. It's the only time they have to relax and enjoy the moment. If you want faster shaves, I think there are other mediums of shaving that can do something similar without so much of a skill ceiling. So I would encourage you to try those out first. But yes, you can do them. Should you? I don't think you should. I think you should just have fun with it. Now for the aftershave. Well, there is some sort of, hopefully you guys can see all the stubble in there. And for the aftershave, I'm going to be using lemon lavender. I think maybe the lemon will go very well with the bergamot and the lavender as well from the soap. This is Witch's Hazel, or Witch Hazel, by Subtle Art Soap Company. I can't get products that have alcohol here in Puerto Rico, and so Joe actually being to offer like an aftershave with no alcohol, just having Witch Hazel is like really good. Plus Witch's Hazel is really good for your skin. So, and the smell of this is amazing. A really nice shave. Longer shave than usual, but yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Sorry if I took too much of your time, and have a good one. Oh, by the way, that soap, that's my recipe, but I did it a little, not so much water, not so goopy this time. I'm testing it out, but I do like it goopy. I like it when it's messy. It just glides so easy that way. See you guys in the next one, all right?